here comes the Beast Incarnate, the hometown boy, Brock Lesnar. Everybody is vibing. So do Brock Lesnar. The Beast is ready to hunt the ruler. Brock Lesnar is looking for second back-to-back victory over Obafemi. Finally, the wait is over. It's time for Obafemi versus Brock Lesnar. Hell in a Cell match. The ruler Obafemi warned Brock Lesnar before SummerSlam that you will be locked inside Hell in a Cell with me. And tonight Obafemi will try his best to destroy and conquer the Beast Incarnate Brock Lesnar here at SummerSlam inside Hell in a Cell. Look at the arena in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Sold out. As this could be Brock Lesnar's final match. Oh no! F5 by Brock Lesnar to Obafemi. And now again, not again. Second vicious F5. Brock Lesnar is vibing with the finishers on Obafemi. Third F5. Brock Lesnar with absolute carnage and destruction. Oh no, not again, not again, not the fourth time. Fourth F5 by Brock Lesnar. Covered by the Beast. Kick out by Obafemi. The ruler is screaming with pain, but Brock Lesnar in utter shock. How the hell Obafemi can kick out? Oh no! This time Femi caught Lesnar. Shock slam. Nobody home. And now, look at in slow motion. Another F5 by Brock Lesnar. Cover by the Beast. Femi again powers out at 2. And now Obafemi sends Brock Lesnar outside and also went outside. Commentators shocked. Look at the reaction of these commentators. Oh no! Obafemi cleaning the announcer's desk to destroy and put Brock Lesnar through it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh God! Brock Lesnar smashes Obafemi into the steel post. Look at the replay. Obafemi in so much pain. And now, the Kimura locked in. But Obafemi smashes Brock Lesnar into the steel post. And now caught Lesnar for the shock slam. Oh no. Lesnar escapes the wrath. And another F5. Sixth F5 by Brock Lesnar to Obafemi. Look at the replay. Obafemi tried to hit a shock slam on Brock Lesnar, but Lesnar counters and reversal with an F5. What a freaking beast Brock Lesnar is. Brock Lesnar may try to win this match with a count out. That's why he put Obafemi on the announcer's desk. Oh God, no. No way. Will Obafemi lose this match like this? Brock Lesnar sitting inside the ring, waiting for his victory. Oh no, look at Obafemi. This may be the end of Brock Lesnar. Obafemi, uppercut. Running uppercut again. Brock Lesnar is so much pain. Look at the uppercut. Oh God. The vicious uppercuts from Obafemi 4 times and now. Oh God. Look at the strength of Obafemi. The power game, the raw power. Obafemi picks Lesnar up. Oh God. Fall from grace. No, Brock Lesnar escapes again. This time Lesnar. 7th F5 by the Beast Incarnate. And he seals the match with a W. A victory for Brock Lesnar. The Beast defeated Obafemi and now Obafemi destroying Brock Lesnar with the elbows after the match. Oh, another uppercut. Uppercut one more time. Oh God. Oh, this time Lesnar picks Obafemi up. And now an F5. What a thrilling moment. The Beast and the Ruler. Brock Lesnar thinking he destroyed Obafemi once and for all. No way. No way. Obafemi with a choke slam again. What a freak Obafemi is. Look at the eyes. Look at the intensity in these eyes of Obafemi. Oh, he picks Lesnar up. Puts him down with a fall from grace. And Obafemi defeated Brock Lesnar. Retires him. Obafemi can't believe what he did moments ago, and Brock Lesnar saying goodbye to the WWE Universe. Happy retirement, Beast Incarnate Brock Lesnar. The once in a lifetime athlete versus the Ruler. Brock Lesnar going away. And it's time for destruction of Obafemi. Femi telling Triple H, I'm gonna destroy your security guards. They are the liars, they are the losers. Obafemi throwing the security guards. Security can't beat Obafemi. Obafemi is the destroyer. And a choke slam by Obafemi. The feel is real. The wrath is real. Oh no. Powerbomb bust. And Obafemi picks that guy up again. Oh, fall from grace. And look at Obafemi. He's angry on that guard. Hit him with a kick and now Obafemi very angry on Brock Lesnar. Obafemi and Brock Lesnar inside Hell in a Cell. Will be a thunderous collision. That's the Shield's original theme. Years of brotherhood, years of bitter betrayal, and a legacy built on blood, sweat and tears lead right to this moment. It is SummerSlam 2026, baby. And this is it. The absolute last dance. The final chapter of the most legendary rivalry in modern wrestling history starts right now. This may be the greatest main event in the history of SummerSlam. The defending champion and the challenger, two Shield brothers. Seth Rollins mocking Roman Reigns, and Roman Reigns trying to control his anger. Look at Seth Rollins playing mind games with Roman Reigns. Oh, Phoenix splash, nobody home. Seth Rollins, oh, kick to the face. Now a right forearm strike. And a forearm to the back of Reigns. And Seth Rollins very early using the buckle bomb. Yes, sir. Rollins. Stomp. A curb stomp by the Visionary. Cover on Reigns. Oh, Roman Reigns somehow kick out. at 2.99. And now Seth Rollins, the visionary, is looking to beat Roman Reigns tonight and win the World Heavyweight Championship. Oh no! Remember, Roman never defeated Seth Rollins when it mattered the most. And now he's smashing Reigns with a kick. Kicks. Oh, right hand by Reigns. Oh no. Roman Reigns says enough is enough now. Smashes Seth Rollins with a steel chair. Seth Rollins won this match, but via disqualification. Roman Reigns retains the World Heavyweight Championship tonight, but smashing Seth Rollins with a steel chair. Roman Reigns again failed to defeat Seth freaking Rollins when it mattered the most. Bang! Roman Reigns putting all his anger, all his energy into those chair shots. Now he's feeling the satisfaction, and Seth Rollins is feeling the pain of that betrayal. In the end, Roman Reigns stands tall, but Rollins is down with a victory. And just like that, Roman Reigns destroyed Seth Rollins at SummerSlam. Spear. Reigns rocks the visionary with a freaking spear here on Monday Night Raw. Now smashing Seth Rollins with a boots. Bang, and now the punches. The visionary in big trouble. A Superman punch. Rollins is down again. Reigns roars. Rollins in trouble. A spear by Roman Reigns to Seth freaking Rollins. And Roman is not done yet. Rollins in so much pain. Reigns bringing the chair with him. A stomp. Seth Rollins again destroys Roman Reigns. Roman bring the steel chair inside the ring, and Rollins stomps his face on that steel chair. Seth Rollins is very angry, telling Roman Reigns, you can't beat me when it matters the most. Coming straight for Roman Reigns. Tonight he destroys this arena. Tomorrow he takes over the entire WWE. All hail the king. And now Oba Femi getting destroyed by Dirty Dominic Mysterio. A drop kick by Dirty Dom. Absolute no effect on Oba Femi. A kick again. Another kick. Oba Femi in so much pain. A drop kick again by Dirty Dominic. Another drop kick. Gauntlet moves, but finally Dominic Mysterio takes out Oba Femi. 619. Oba Femi got rocked and shocked, but still on his feet. Dominic Mysterio trying his best to take out Femi. Femi escapes. And now Oba Femi. Absolutely no effect. Clothesline. Just one clothesline is enough to take out Dirty Dominic Mysterio. And now Oba Femi, the game changer of WWE, the ruler. Bang, running uppercut. Another uppercut. And now Dominic Mysterio feeling some pain, which he thought he will give to Oba Femi. And now another uppercut. These are raining uppercuts here on WWE Raw Live event. Another uppercut. Oh God! Like a bulldozer, Oba Femi took out Dirty Dominic Mysterio. Now fall from grace by Oba Femi. Femi wins the match. It's a direct warning shot to Brock Lesnar and Roman Reigns. And now Obafemi is here to help Seth Rollins against the Vision. Oh, Austin Theory stops Seth Rollins from tagging in. Obafemi, and now the Visionary is fighting back against the Vision. Obafemi wants tag. Obafemi wants to destroy the Vision. Seth Rollins and Obafemi can be World Tag Team Champions someday in WWE. Braun Breaker wants Obafemi. Braun Breaker, the dog, is demanding Seth Rollins to make a tag. Oh no. Once again, the dog is asking for Obafemi to come inside her. Seth Rollins made a tag finally. And now the ruler is here. Obafemi. And now Femi alone fighting back against the Vision. Close line. What a throw by Femi. Oh, right hand to Breaker. And now, bang. Big boot by the ruler. The destroyer. The mountain that you can't climb. The Beast Slayer. Oh, look at Maxine Dupree distracting the referee. Braun Breaker out of nowhere takes out Obafemi with a torpedo spear. And now Austin Theory with a cover on Obafemi. But the ruler kicks out. Everybody is shocked. But they all know that Obafemi can easily kick out to one spear. Because he kicked out and survived 6 F5s. Wow. A clap by Seth. Takes out Austin Theory. But now the dog. Obafemi is back inside the ring. Right hand to Braun Breaker. Close line to Austin Theory. One more close line. And now the destruction of the ruler has begun. Uppercut. He got Theory. And now Rollins is looking to help and make a tag. Because Obafemi is down. Because of the numbers game that the Vision play. And now look at Obafemi in so much pain. Makes a tag to Seth Rollins. And now Rollins, Maxine Dupree from behind hits a low blow to Seth Rollins. The match ended with a disqualification. The Vision retains with a loss. Seth Rollins and Obafemi won the match, but now they are paying the price of this victory by disqualification. And now Braun Breaker, the dog, going for the torpedo spear. But look at Obafemi. He's back. Spine busted by the ruler to Braun Breaker. A super kick by Seth Rollins. Obafemi picks up Austin Theory. Maxine Dupree is worried. Oh, stomp. Fall from grace. Seth Rollins and Obafemi. Now Obafemi going after the bloodline. Oh no. Jey Uso smashes him into the steel post, and now Jey Uso. Oh, suicide dive. Obafemi wants to destroy Roman Reigns, and now he's destroying Jey Uso. Fall from grace, covered by the ruler. Obafemi defeated Jey Uso. Will Obafemi defeat Roman Reigns too, just like this? Oh no, Brock Lesnar is back. No celebration for Obafemi. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more. Oh, 1F5. The Beast incarnate is very angry. Oh no, oh no. Second thunderous F5 by Brock Lesnar. But the Beast is not done yet. Look at the genes of Brock Lesnar. Oh no. He rips his pants off again. And part of F5. Rip the pants can't stop Brock Lesnar from destroying Obafemi. Oh no. Oh no. Fourth F5. The beast is not done yet. Subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Thanks for watching, guys. F5. Obafemi is on a mission that no one can stop, and now Obafemi destroying Dirty Dominic Mysterio. Dominic Mysterio thought Obafemi is easy to handle, easy to defeat, but now look at JD McDonough. Oh, Obafemi saw him and now giving him warning. He ran away like a coward. The entire New Judgment Day is filled with cowards, and now Obafemi is taking care of this dumbass coward Dominic Mysterio. And now Femi caught him, bang, hitting him with the punches and sends him inside the ring. The monster of WWE, the destroyer, the ruler Obafemi with a forearm strike to low blow. Dominic took advantage of the situation. 619 to the rocket of Obafemi. And a 619 to Obafemi now. And a splash cover. Oh, kick out at one by Obafemi. It was not even one. Obafemi's rocket is also as strong as him. Oh God, Dirty Dominic Mysterio thought that he can defeat Ono. Dominic tried to attack Obafemi with a hammer, but a double choke slam. Mamma mia! What a monster Obafemi is! A double trouble for Dominic Mysterio and JD McDonough. Oh, uppercut. Running uppercut to Dominic. One to JD. And now the reign of uppercut has come. Bang! The monster destroying these jokers, these cowards. After what they did to John Cena and Finn Balor, they deserve it. And Obafemi sends JD McDonough flying after that flying uppercut, and now fall from grace to Dominic Mysterio. And Dominic Mysterio got conquered by Obafemi in few minutes. Your winner and into the King of the Ring final. Obafemi, he's coming for Roman Reigns, and now oh God, Jacob Fatu destroying this celebrity. on the order of Roman Reigns. Don't worry, Obafemi is coming for them all. Obafemi is coming for the bloodline. Once it's all said and done with Brock Lesnar, Obafemi will come for Roman Reigns. Jacob Fatu, after the order of Roman Reigns, destroying this innocent celebrity. Adam Pearce is begging Roman Reigns that tell Jacob Fatu to stop. Tell him to stop. Otherwise WWE has to pay high penalty for attacking this innocent celebrity. Oh no, Jacob Fatu with a splash. And now Fatu is dancing. Roman Reigns is standing there giving orders to Jacob Fatu. Jacob Fatu is the new enforcer of Roman Reigns. The OTC is laughing. And referees and officials telling Jacob Fatu to go away with Roman Reigns. And Fatu is going with the OTC, the king of WWE. It's time for the ruler versus the OTC Ono, the Usos. Jimmy telling Jay to stop and not attack LA Knight now. But look at the mega star. He's recovering. Oh! Bang! Knight saves himself and now smashing the Usos with a steel chair. Bang! Jimmy paid for being good. Oh, Fatu is here. Tongue and death grip applied. And LA Knight in big trouble. Fatu took him. Inside the ring. Oh, that's Logan Paul who was attacking Seth, and here comes Angelo Dawkins to save Seth Rollins. And now the numbers game has begun. Austin Theory, the pressure, putting some pressure on Angelo Dawkins. Logan and Austin working together, destroying Angelo Dawkins. And when Dawkins in trouble, there is a friend of him who always saves him, Montez Ford. Paul was looking for the pulverizer. Montez Ford said, "Suck it, baby," and puts him down with a step up enziguri. And now Montez Ford firing up. Takes out Logan and Austin with an incredible dive at ringside. What's just happening? Oh, here comes Seth Rollins, the visionary. Comes to the eyes of Braun Breaker. A clothesline. Rocks the human missile. Oh, Logan Paul distracting Seth Rollins. He hits him with a kick. But Braun Breaker hits Seth Rollins with a human missile tornado spear. What a monster. Braun Breaker is the true future of WWE. But right now the future is looking to destroy the now. The Vision has some different plans for Seth Rollins. I'm sure they don't have the good intentions for the Visionary. Oh no. That can end the career of Seth Rollins now. Braun Breaker is looking to crush Seth freaking Rollins in between two steel steps. Oh no. The referees and officials are looking to stop Braun Breaker. And they took the steps away from Braun Breaker. Otherwise, Breaker would have destroyed Seth Rollins' in-ring career tonight. And now Finn Balor is also looking to do the same to JD McDonough. Oh, but this idiot, dirty Dominic Mysterio interrupted in this match, and now JD McDonough is taking the advantage of the situation. Superplex. What a moment. And now JD McDonough dragging himself and cover. Kick out by Balor. Everybody is shocked. So do Dirty Dom and JD. And now Finn Balor with a kendo stick punishing JD McDonough. Finn Balor is fired up. The Prince in total control right now. And now the Prince turns the table inside the ring. And now the Prince takes out JD. Incredible move by Finn Balor. And now Balor is feeling it. Everybody is in support of the Prince here. At WrestleMania, Demon defeated Dominic, and tonight the Prince is taking revenge from JD McDonough, smashing McDonough with a steel chain. Shot takes out JD, and now the trash can. That's gonna be dangerous for JD. Oh, what a drop kick! The shotgun drop kick to JD, and now JD in big trouble. Nobody is here to save him. Not even Liv Morgan and Dirty Tom. Coup de grace. Cover by Balor. And a sweet victory for Balor.
दिल विच तू ही तू मेरी साह विच तू जिथे भी मैं जावां तेरा नाल ही नूरा दे विच चन्ना तेरी हंसी आई खाली जैहा सी दिन तू रोशनी बन आई मैनू वेख के रुक जा थोड़ा पास आ ए दिल नू समझा बस मेरा हो जा दिल विच तू ਤੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਜਦੋਂ ਚਮਕਦਾ ਏ, ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਨ ਥੰਮਦਾ ਏ। ਤੇਰੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਾਬਾਂ 'ਚ ਪੈ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਚੰਨ ਦੀ ਕਿਰਨਾਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਤੱਕ ਲੈ ਗਈ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਰੁਕ ਜਾ, ਥੋੜਾ ਪਾਸ ਆ, ਇਹ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਾ, ਬਸ ਮੇਰਾ ਹੋ ਜਾ। ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਜਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ, ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਪਹਿਚਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ, ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਲੋ। ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਬਸ ਤੂੰ ਹੀ ਤੂੰ। ਜਦੋਂ ਤੂੰ ਕੋਲ ਹੋਵੇ ਸਭ ਠੀਕ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਏ, ਮੇਰਾ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਦਰਦ ਖੁਦ ਹੀ